in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beach Park, or over Zion, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Round Lake Beach, Zion, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Antioch, Lindenworth, Beach Park, Gages Lake, Park City, Round Lake Park, Winthrop Harbor, Grandwood Park, Green Oaks, Wadsworth, Venetian Village, Third Lake, Old Mill Creek, and Russell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, Key West.